Welcome mga kanamnan! For today's video ay magluluto po tayo ng pork chop. Halina at samahan niyo ako at sana mag-enjoy po kayo.
Okay, let's start. Heat the pan and pour oil. If the oil is hot, put the pork slice. And wait till medium brown. And flip the other side. And do the same with the remaining pork slice. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Did you know that pork chops are a very rich source of selenium? This is a mineral involved in your immune and endocrine systems, and it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Pork chops are also high in zinc, and they offer good amounts of first, iron, second, potassium, and third, magnesium. But, however, the cooking method does influence how many calories, fat, and sodium they have. Fried pork chops, for example, are higher in all three of those categories. That said, fried pork chops still fit into your diet as long as the extra calories, fat, and sodium are accounted for.
Ingredients: a half kg, a half kg cut into pork chop, cut into pork chop, salt to taste, pepper to taste, pepper to taste, cup breading mix, a half cup breading mix, chips optional, 1 pack chips optional, cucumber optional, 1 cucumber optional. And now it's ready to serve. I put cucumber and chips to be more tasty. And served as appetizer. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.